Welcome back, folks. So this may come as a shock to you, pun intended, but the 77 Pinto shocks may have failed. So a buddy of mine was riding next to me, said that I was bouncing pretty bad, so I'm going to go ahead and change them off. Now, I'm not replacing it with anything better per se. It's I'm doing Gabriel. I think that's just an oil shock, so just like the factory spec. So this is actual for the hard body and not for a 77 Pinto, although that was cool. I think the $7 shocks, I got about $7 worth out of it, so may work for some, maybe not all, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this off here and I'll come back with an update. All right, so we're back out. I'm not going to put the bump stop back in because I think we'll be all right. But in comparing the two, I'm not sure if this was blown. I mean, there's fluid all over it. That's really tough. All right, so we've got the new shock in. Everything's torqued down. So this guy right here is 65 foot-pounds. I'm probably going to voice over this. Definitely going to voice over this. So that's 65 pounds. And this is just, it's 14, 15, something like that. Get it to where it's nice and squashed, and you're good from there. But it's on there. Yeah, it was definitely blown. Yeah.